and artwork from the Tenke Fungurumu mine in the Katanga. First of all, let's have this guy flat just for perspective. Matrix, not much happening. Young dolomite, typical true Tenke. Then forming on top of this matrix would be a layer of chrysocolla. Now, when you look at the cross-section of the chrysocollas, you'll see this color zoning. The core of the chrysocolla is almost a turquoise to blue. Then the outer sections would be almost a powdery blue to white. Then on some of these sections of the little mountains, little stalagmites, stalactites, you'd have black underneath a lawn of quartz crystals, which would be little waxy black heterogenite crystals, which would form on the secondary layer of the chrysocolla. Then, of course, dusting all that would be druzy quartz. Now, to add interest to this piece, over and above being a little masterpiece from an artistic point of view, lovely formation of the little stalagmites, stalactites. There is a dusting of it, appears to be at least 2 greens. So, for sake of ease, we're going to say there are malachite crystals perched on those sections and those. Often I've also found as an association pseudo-malachite, which was sort of a waxy sea green in color. And then also I suspect on some of these we may have some baeldonite as well, which would also be an off green. So a little bit of exploration to be done on these, all the way from the Tenke Fungurumu mine in the Katanga. Shall I call this art or shall I call this mineral specimen?